Hi, my name is Deborah Rodriguez for Baby Wearing in Canada, and I'm here with you today to do an unboxing video. So I ordered this baby carrier off the internet. It is from GoGoVie, and I wanted it because it looked really interesting. So let's see what it looks like compared to what I saw. That sound is always so much fun. Throw away. So here's the package. You can see very clearly GoGoVie, 7 complete carry positions, and then you have them all listed here at the back. So I'm just going to list them off here. You can do swaddle, cradle, semi-cradle. So a semi-cradle is also what we call a half cradle or a semi-reclined. Face in, face out, hip carry, back carry. So what they also say is no infant insert needed, and I wanted this because it's got the cradle with the nurse and go feature, and I find that's really unique for a buckle carrier. So I'm really hoping it'll live up to its expectations once I take it out and I get to try it with my parents. So it does come in a nice cloth bag, although it's black, and that means I have to be really careful because I'm very good at getting lint on things. Just the cardboard outline to keep it together. My kids will either use that as art or my dogs will destroy it. So let's see if I can figure this out. There were no instructions. I'm just going to get the There's no instructions that come in this package unless it's, here it is. Smart. Oh, nice. Perfect. So this is an American carrier. It is ASTM certified. And I'm just going to lift it up quickly for you to see. So from this side, this is what we would see. And then from this side, this is what you'd see again. So I'm not going to try it on today. We're just going to show you the features as it's lying flat. It does have a waist buckle attachment here, and it has adjustments on either side, and that's really handy because then you can get them as wide as you need. So you can see that it has a lot of flexibility no matter your own personal size. There's only one downfall I see is if perhaps you're incredibly petite. I have helped some people who are about 4'10", so I find when you get to women that are that small, you're a lot limited in your carrier choices, but most of us are not that tiny. It comes with a cover, which can be tucked away into this nice little pocket. I guess that's the nursing cover. And then this is the unique feature here, is you get this buckle attachment. So here is where the child goes, and you can do a full cradle recline. So if I just take one of my dolls, you can kind of see here. And what I'll do is I'll link the instruction videos at the bottom of this if you want to go and see the product features in person. And so then you see how that cradles the baby, so you can have them in a cradle. And the reason I really like that is because there's some special needs kids who can't be in a semi-recline. They have a limited amount of flexibility, so this enables kids who need more of a full recline and who have a lot of intubation, and will give me options for those parents that are not available in any other standard model. And then, yeah, so this is it. It's pretty neat looking. I'll have to give it a go a bit later and practice with it and take it out for a test drive. If anyone's interested in giving this a try, we'll be taking it to some of my baby carrying meetings here in Ottawa, and that's I'll also put a link to the Facebook page under the video so you can go and see when the next ones are being held. If you would like to rent these, you can definitely contact me about that through Crown of Dreams as well. So I'm really excited about getting this out on the road and testing it in person because I think it has a lot of potential. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see you later.